Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2005 Honda CRF250 X. This is Honda's full-size trail bike. Has a 249cc single-cylinder 4-stroke engine, electric start, 5-speed transmission. This is a clean title, green sticker bike, so you could ride this bike year-round at all the state parks. Electric start makes it super simple. Nice aftermarket parts, Cycra Handguards, aftermarket skid plate, Clarke oversized fuel tank, aftermarket foot pegs, pro circuit spark arrestor exhaust. Bike runs great. It was just serviced not too long ago, and a good price at only $29.99 with finance options available. Stop on by at Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach out 408-730-0600.